EasiPart French was designed for the beginning stages of hair loss, offering the most natural-looking part for the wearer. Due to its unique base size and placement, it offers volume and coverage in the part area. In this video, we'll review the base design. Then, we'll do the step-by-step on how we achieve the look. EasiPart French is available in 8, 12, and 18 inches in length. The base design features a French-drawn base which allows for multi-directional movement of the hair, offering the most natural-looking appearance of growth. This is achieved by drawing the hair through the top layer of glass silk, which hides the knots and makes for the most natural-looking parting. The polyurethane-coated perimeter allows for the use of adhesive, if desired. The pressure-sensitive clips are strategically placed to secure the topper to your biological hair. EasiPart French is made with Remy human hair, and as with any alternative human hair piece, we recommend performing a check wash within 14 days of receipt. One commonly asked question is, how do we achieve the looks that you see on our website and in our catalogs? In this video, we're going to show you how we got the look for EasiPart French. To dry and style your topper, pin to your canvas block head, apply blown-away blow-dry balm and weightless volumizing foam. Blow dry for volume using your Jon Renau round brush. Take a small section of hair and apply 2 to 3 pumps of heat treat thermal spray to protect the hair from heat damage. Use a 1 to 2 inch curling iron and curl each section of the hair to create soft, loose curls. Alternate the direction of wrapping as you go. Allow the curls to cool and set completely. Pre-style your biological hair to match your topper. Apply your topper 1 to 2 inches back from the hairline and blend with your biological hair. See our Prepare Your Topper for Styling and Application video for details. Always hold the base of the topper while blending to prevent pulling your biological hair. Not doing so will cause tension on your hair and can cause damage. Finish your style with Jon Renau's versatile 3-way hairspray. Use your fingers to finish styling. To watch more styling videos, click on our styling playlist. For more information on toppers, click on Hair Toppers 101.